నా పేరు అమలమ్మ మాది పేరడ గ్రామం
My name is Amlamma. I work on daily wages. Earlier when I would get home from work, there would be no water for anything. Even cooking rice was a big task because of the water shortage. It was very upsetting to see the condition of the Anganwadi. Who would send their children here? There was no water for children, no cleanliness.
In the periods time
even during my periods, I would have to store water in pots and pans. In the days I was menstruating, it was a huge problem and also very irritating to store water and use it for bathing and washing clothes.
As part of creating access to the community where they are being ignored and isolated from the main village and they are not being provided with good, safe drinking water. So in those areas, most critical areas, we have identified and we have developed the mini piped water supply system.
Through the water lines, they have dug pits and big storage tanks have been constructed. These storage tanks are covered and have lids. They have installed new pipelines. Earlier, the motor capacity was low in our panchayat. Now, a high capacity motor has been installed to increase the flow of water.
Finally, there's enough water in our homes. Earlier, there was no supply of water, but now there's ample water in the tank. Now we don't have to face any water problems. Now I can come back from college and be relaxed.
We have created the institutions at the village level. So that is user groups, mainly for small pockets, and later they are being linked to the VWSC, which are subcommittee of the Gram Panchayat.
100, 200, 300 చిన్న చిన్న ఉన్న లీకేజీలు కావచ్చు, ఏదైనా కావచ్చు, ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఒకరి మీద మనం డిపెండ్ అవ్వకూడదు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರೂಪಾ, ನನ್ನ ಊರು ಬರದಿಪಳ್ಯ.
My name is Rupa and I live in Baradipalya and study in GHPS school. When I joined school, there was only one toilet and no water facility. I would get drinking water from home and there was no water in the toilets either. And we didn't feel good about having to go home to use toilets. Now everything has been constructed here. No one has to bring water from home. We drink water available here in the school itself. Rainwater has been used well. There are hand wash stations too, where children wash their hands regularly. Even the toilets have water. It is very good now.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
My name is Radha and have been working in Kashanhalli Anganwadi for 9 years. It gets really tough when water is not available. Children face a lot of problems. Water is needed for everything.
ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಲೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು
At Anganwadis, they are small children. So we have installed height appropriate wash stations. Our intention is that kids should learn to wash their hands from a young age.
Now that the water facility is good, no matter how the children come, I clean them nicely here only. I wash their hands and legs with soap, comb their hair, put tilak here only.
Household women
would earlier need to travel as far as 2 kilometers to fetch a 20-liter pail of water. Now, just imagine the ease and comfort of stepping out and turning on a tap right at her doorstep. Single point. That is happiness.